Hey, what's up people, welcome back to another video. In this quick video I'll be showing you how you can change your display name in WordPress website. So without further ado, let's get started. As you can see, I've logged into my WordPress dashboard, and this is the username, this is the name that's currently there. So for my every post, let's say I just created a page. Okay, I always play around with this website to understand and teach you guys how this works. So you can see the author name is showing as my email, which is help.tipswithalam@gmail.com. So now if I edit this page, I'm getting the same thing. Let's say if I click on this, so everything right now is showing as if this is the username, which looks very odd, and this is not something that you would put out on your website. So to change this, all you have to do is just click on this, click on edit profile. Now this will take you to the profile section, and you have to first give your name. So I'll write my first name, Alam, and then this is the most important settings that you have to change. Display name publicly as not the email but your first name. Give this name and then click on update profile. So this is how you change it. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.